Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video, I will show you how you can run Android apps in Pop! OS using Waydroid. To start off, open the Firefox web browser and head over to waydroid.id. Waydroid is a containerized approach to running a full Android system on top of Pop! OS, but with the added bonus that you can run the apps straight from the Cosmic menu. Click on the install link at the top, and now click on the docs link as shown here. There are instructions for multiple Linux distros, but because Pop! OS is based on Ubuntu, we will use the Ubuntu instructions. Open a terminal and then copy the first command and paste it into the terminal. All the commands are going to be in the description of the video. Now copy the second command and paste it in. And finally, copy and paste in the third command. For this guide, I am going to assume you want the Google Store and the apps to work for Google. So type the following into the terminal. This isn't in the documentation. Sudo waydroid init -s gapps. Now, it is highly likely that you received an error about missing binder, because I received that error and it may be fixed in the future, but it isn't at this moment in time. So if you get that error, follow these instructions. So there are two ways around this. The first way, you can use the Licorice kernel, which is a custom kernel, or two, you can add in the missing module, which is the method I will show you here. Type sudo apt install dkms space git space build -essential. So this will enable you to install the module that will be built in the following command. Now it's highly likely that most of these packages are installed already, but if they aren't, they will be installed. So now type git clone https://github.com/github/anbox-modules.git. Again, the commands will be in the show notes. And this downloads the relevant missing modules. Type cd space anbox-modules and then type ls. You will see there is a file called install.sh. Type sudo space /install.sh. Make sure you get the case right. When it is finished, type sudo space modprobe space binder_linux. And then finally type sudo space systemctl space restart space waydroid-container. Then type sudo space waydroid space init space -s space gapps. You can now run Waydroid from the menu. One of the issues you will see is that your system isn't able to run Google Apps because it isn't certified to do so. If we go back to the docs, there is a guide showing how to register your device to run Google Apps. Copy the first command and paste it into the terminal. Again, these will be in the show notes. This will give you a number. Copy the number and then click the link on the web page, which takes you to the Google site to register your device. Click the I'm not a robot checkbox and paste the number into the box provided and click register. Now sometimes this can take a few minutes to register and work. You can run the Play Store and the Android apps straight from the menu. Not all apps will work nicely because they are built for mobile devices, but you can use it to play games and watch media, etc. And you can experiment and find out which apps work for you and which ones don't. But for now, that is the end of the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time on Everyday Linux User.